Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can find your Revolut payment QR code. So let's get started. Now to find your QR code on Revolut so somebody can scan it and send you money to it, you would first need to tap on the payment section right here on your default homepage, and then this menu will load. So from here it's quite simple. You would just need to tap on the search bar right here at the top of the screen. And then to find your QR code, just go ahead and tap on the QR code icon right here, right in the search bar. From there, a QR code scanner will load, but we want to tap on My QR Code right here to get your own QR code, as you can see right here. So once you tap My QR Code, your own payment QR code will load, which another Revolut user can scan and then send you money to your Revolut account. But essentially guys, that's how you can find your own QR code on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.